Canned and powdered milk. If you're like me, you may think that they both sound nasty and you would never even consider, and I don't blame you. But this video just might shock you. We're gonna put these to the ultimate test. Teenagers. I've lassoed 3 of my teenagers, one's at work, to taste test powdered milk versus evaporated milk versus fresh whole milk. Will they be able to tell the difference? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your Refrigerator Eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. So I've got evaporated milk, canned mixed with water, powdered milk mixed equally to make milk, and fresh whole milk. And now we are going to test the teenagers to see if they can taste the difference. They have no clue. I'm even gonna call them. Kids! Hi, thank you for coming so quickly. I am going to do an experiment and you guys are going to see if you can tell the difference between powdered milk, evaporated milk, and fresh whole milk. You guys think you can do it? And then each of you is going to get stickers. Kid 1, you've got one that's canned, fresh, powdered, and you're gonna label each one that you think is which. So each kid is gonna get stickers, your kid 2 and your kid number 3.
So I suppose that means I go first, right?
So you can be the blue straw. You can be the green straw. Okay, so one of these is fresh milk, one is powdered milk, and one is evaporated milk.
All right then.
Now we are going to see,
I'm gonna do this one first.
this is my 16-year-old. Let's see if he can figure this out.
I haven't tasted milk since
Now you can taste them all and kind of go back and forth if you need to.
That's definitely not the fresh milk. That is powdered.
You think so? Okay.
Do I put this right here?
If that's what you think, yeah. Okay, he called that one the can.
That's definitely can.
You didn't even try them all. Wait, you didn't even try it.
No, I'm good.
He's the ultimate milk straw. Probably should have had him go last. Okay, Luella, you're up next. What straw do you want? The green one? Okay, you want the red? You can be the red one.
This is powder.
Okay, put your powdered label on
I
it.
think she's just putting that down.
I think so. Okay, try the next
Should have
one.
made me go last.
I should have made you go last.
Who knows? Maybe I might be wrong. It's either these two or swapped.
You like that one?
Why does that? Why does that one taste differently?
Because they're all different.
Well, I've been tasting that milk for years, so I know what it tastes like. And it's
Just like
And that one's fresh. All right, last kid up. Let's see what we
so
got.
The 2 rankings are the same.
2 rankings are the same. We've got fresh milk, canned milk, and powdered milk is their vote so far.
Vote differently, Mag. You can't all be
I love
wrong.
that. That tastes like the goat milk that we gave over.
No, you have to vote differently. Everybody does.
That one's actually yummy.
Okay, the votes are unanimous. They have correctly decided fresh milk, canned milk, and powder. So if you guys were to have to drink one of them because there was no fresh milk available, which one would you go first, like best?
I put the canned one in my cereal or something, but then the powdered one I put with Ovaltine.
Solid plan. Would you drink either of them plain?
Maybe canned if I was stranded on a desert.
All right, what about you? What's your vote? What do you think of the milk alternatives if you had to choose?
Definitely canned all the way.
Yeah.
I probably wouldn't drink powdered that often. I don't like it that much. Canned just tastes so much better. I drink it with chocolate milk, cereal, all the above. It basically tastes like fresh milk, but at room temperature and just a little bit different.
Okay.
I like it though.
Not bad, right? And for you, which one is your favorite? If we couldn't have fresh milk, would you prefer the canned or the powdered?
Powdered?
You'd like the powdered better. Why is that?
Oh, I think it tastes different.
You think it tastes different? Does it taste yummy or just different but still good?
Yeah, different.
All right, there you have it. Maybe those results weren't quite as shocking as I thought they would be. They definitely were able to figure out the fresh versus the canned versus the powder. But it's fun to know and it's fun to experiment with. So comment below if you think you could get your family to drink some milk alternatives and even run a taste test with them and see what happens. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator.
Till next time.